Hello everyone. Some days the ocean rests in complete stillness, but even the gentlest ripple can signal the start of something far more dangerous. The sea is nature at its wildest, and it doesn't take much to reveal its untamed power.
Wow.
God damn, dude, that
Richa, mira, deberían de prohibir el paso, porque mira... ¡Wow!
The Dominican Republic's coast is being battered by rough seas as a storm barrels toward land.
Prohibí el paso por la avenida España. Traten de no pasar.
Look at that over there. Oh. Wow, 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 wow. It's just insane. Look how much water. Wow. Wow.
Back in 2020, Storm Gloria struck Morca with such force that waves rose over three-story buildings, flooding streets until they seemed swallowed by the Mediterranean.
Sí, sí está grabado, sí está grabado.
Aguanta, aguanta, no puedo bajar.
Es que después se los va a ir al agua después.
nailed it.
Yeah, nailed.
Comes another one. Didn't know you could run that fast. So after 12, 13, or 14.
Durban's beach in South Africa has once again been swallowed by the sea. Being so close to the Indian Ocean, it's no stranger to flooding, powerful tides, and sudden cyclones.
You should come see. Got that whole thing.
At the end of 2024, a devastating tsunami slammed into Peru's northern coast. One look at that towering wave was enough to see its unstoppable strength, destroying everything in its path.
Oye, los cables están bien peligrosos, mira. Yeah. Go inside. Take some pictures.
The ocean can flip its mood in an instant, shorelines turning into waterfalls, calm tides transforming into monstrous walls of water. Off Norway's Lofoten Islands, a sightseeing boat nearly capsized in a violent storm before a rescue team arrived just in time. In Sagres, Portugal, the Atlantic roars with some of Europe's largest waves. Here, the ocean doesn't just move, it thunders. When storms rage, ships suffer. In one brutal storm, passengers were kept safe in their cabins, but the deck above was left in ruins.
blocking out the horizon. That's a big one. That's 14 meters.
Even the sacred Ganga River can unleash sudden fury, its rising tide forcing locals to scramble for safety. That same force rocked the Grand Holiday cruise ship in the Mediterranean. The storm was so intense, the ship tilted violently on its sides, yet the passengers were fortunate enough to make it through unharmed. Far away in Japan, the Sea River felt the first tsunami wave after a massive 7.6 magnitude earthquake, despite being nearly 100 kilometers from the epicenter. For the people there, resilience is second nature. They live where the earth itself is always shifting. Every storm is a test, but a Force 10 storm? That's survival against impossible odds. And yet, to surfers, it's all worth it.
Holy shit. Like a fucking rock and roll course.
A massive wave, a rush of adrenaline, and a moment of unity with nature. That's the ocean's gift to those brave enough to ride it. One mistake out here, and the sea takes everything.
The video. How is it possible? I didn't want to make it.
¿Por qué no la sacaste y la...
Until the waves showed them who was in charge. Never underestimate the sea. In one shocking moment, a wave swallowed a BMW driving along the shore, leaving the driver stunned.
Yeah, on video? I can really catch that with no one else on it. Oh, that was by far the best.
And if you think you've seen big waves, nothing compares to the Drake Passage, the world's most dangerous route to Antarctica. Here, seas can tower over 15 meters high, battering even the strongest vessels.
That was a full scoop, right?
That was,
there.
yeah.
That was.
That was blue.
Next time you complain about your office desk job, remember this. Life at sea is a battle against forces far beyond human control. Even off France's coast, the waters of Saint Malo rage as storms funnel through the English Channel.
Daldı gene. Gene daldık.
In Hatio, Puerto Rico, curiosity lured people too close to the surf. In 2017, the Australian icebreaker Aurora Australis proved that even giants struggle when faced with the fury of the open ocean.
Proving that even huge ships can have a tough time battling nature's forces.
A cargo ship fights endlessly against waves and winds, its crew relying on skill, grit, and luck to survive. Kauai, the oldest of the main Hawaiian islands, always draws a huge number of tourists, and it's easy to see why. How can you resist visiting a place where nature puts on such stunning water shows?
Ai, que espeta. Que bomba, meu.
It's clear now why surfers from all over the world flock to the Portuguese town of Nazaré. Last December, a German surfer rode a wave nearly 29 meters high there, breaking his own world record. A large fishing boat in the North Atlantic faces turbulent waters, looking like a toy ship. The area is notorious for its unstable weather and powerful currents, making it one of the most challenging maritime routes. Many tourists visit Iceland to witness huge chunks of although
not even